what we have here. Junk mail. So, it's me again, Sami. First I want to mention that my plant is doing well. And in addition to my current plant, she has got some friends, because behold, herbs. And look at this. It even has a light. That's pretty cool. Anyways, I'd say that since the weather is actually quite interesting right now, and it should be some kind of blizzard today, but anyways, I'd say let's hop outside, and it's going to be far more interesting to do this vlog. So, with that said, to the outdoors. It's fresh. I want to take you to one of my favorite places around Helsinki. Let's just walk there and look at the beautiful nature. And yeah, this is by the way actually my first vlog of 2018, so woo! Yeah, cool. And oh shit, don't throw your camera like that. So this is the beautiful area of Vallila where I live. Well, it's winter, so you're going to see it during the summer for sure. And it's starting to snow again. But here is the favorite place of mine around these woods. I just hope that the friends are, yes they are in here. My lovely bird friends are here. It's always nice to come here, and all around the area it's really nice to walk, relax. I like to do this. And that actually brings me to the point what I wanted to discuss a bit more with you guys. So, what do you like to do? For me, it wasn't that obvious for a long time, and I reckon that it's not so obvious to a lot of people out there. Because there's a difference in things that you like to do and what you want to do. For a long time, I kinda knew what I want to do, but I didn't really know what I really like to do. And I'd say that the turning point of my life was when I was working in a big telecommunication company here in Finland. I was working there as a sales manager and I got fired. And at that point I made probably the best decision of my life so far. So I decided to leave to Australia in half a year. Oh, it's actually snowing quite heavy right now. So after coming back from Australia, I felt like I have somehow failed in my life. I had 2 degrees, but then I didn't know what to do. I didn't care less to do any of a sales manager job, so I felt like what I'm going to do. So then I started to rewind conversation with different people and conversation with friends back home and family also, and then I realized that hey, I like to take pictures, I like to do videos, why I'm not just trying to do my living with that. So that's how I ended up to the mindset that this is really what I like to do, and this is something really what I want to do, and I really want to succeed on this because this is something that I enjoy doing, I love it. So, and usually if people just put everything to the thing that they really love, like, want, usually leads to somewhere. And if not, hey, then you can say, at least I tried, now I know. Maybe in 20 years you regret that you didn't try it when it was the time for it. There are still some barriers for me in this photography and cinematography thing. Those barriers will soon be broken and I get to put all of my effort to this, and hopefully I will succeed, and you can help me succeed by watching these videos and visiting my website, looking my Instagram feed, and I really appreciate that if you do that, because it's a really important thing for me. So finding your purpose is definitely not easy, especially in these times, this time of the millennium or century or whatever, because there is so much of things that you can choose from. It's so overwhelming what you should do and what you need to do and what you like to do. So finding your purpose, it's not easy, but if you to some point stop and think what is really important to you, what you care about, what you want to achieve, then you will find your purpose soon enough. For me, it took over a year, one trip to Australia and Indonesia, to realize what's my purpose, and what I really want, like, and will do. So I hope you guys like this video. Hit the like button, I really appreciate that. Subscribe, leave a comment what you think about the purpose of your life, what is the purpose of what you're doing, and join my journey. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.